The story of humanity is written in stone, bone, and earth, yet some discoveries refuse to fit neatly into our understanding. They defy explanation, challenge timelines, and whisper secrets no expert has fully unlocked. These are the unsolved wonders, 80 archaeological finds scattered across the world that baffle even the most experienced researchers. From ancient devices that resemble computers to mysterious structures hidden beneath the earth, each discovery pushes the boundaries of what we thought was possible. Prepare yourself to journey into the unknown, where history blurs with mystery and every artifact demands answers we have yet to find. 1. The Antikythera mechanism, Greece. This 2,000 years old device is an ancient analog computer capable of predicting celestial movements with incredible precision. How did its creators develop such advanced technology? 2. The Great Sphinx of Giza, Egypt. Geological studies suggest parts of this massive statue could be thousands of years older than the pyramids, hinting at a lost civilization. 3. The Baghdad Battery, Iraq. Clay jars with copper and iron components hint at a possible ancient electrical device, but their true purpose remains unknown. 4. Göbekli Tepe, Turkey. A temple complex older than Stonehenge, built by hunter-gatherers who had not yet invented farming. 5. Pumku, Bolivia. Giant stone blocks carved with precision so sharp they seem impossible to create with ancient tools. 6. Stone spheres of Costa Rica. Costa Rica. Hundreds of perfectly round stones of varying sizes scattered across the jungle with no clear function. 7. The Piri Reis map, Turkey. A map drawn in 1513 depicting Antarctica's coastline, which was officially discovered centuries later. 8. Yonaguni Monument, Japan. Underwater stone formations that may be the ruins of a sunken city or natural geological structures. 9. The Shigir Idol, Russia. A 12,000 years old wooden statue covered in mysterious carvings whose meaning is still unknown. 10. Longyu Caves, China. Massive, man-made caves carved from solid rock with no records of their creators or purpose. 11. Copper Scroll, Israel. A Dead Sea Scroll made of copper describing hidden treasures that remain undiscovered. 12. Nazca Lines, Peru. Enormous geoglyphs in the desert depicting animals and shapes, visible only from the air. 13. Mohenjo-Daro, Pakistan. A sophisticated city of the Indus Valley civilization, suddenly abandoned for reasons still debated. 14. Kensington Runestone, USA. A stone inscribed with Viking runes was found in Minnesota, suggesting early Norse presence in North America. 15. Voynich manuscript unknown. An illustrated codex with an unknown language and bizarre drawings that no one has been able to decode. 16. Mount Owen Moa Claw, New Zealand. A perfectly preserved claw from an extinct giant bird, found in a cave alongside human tools. 17. Ubaid Lizar, Figurdines, Iraq. Small statues of humanoid reptilian figures that raise questions about ancient beliefs or visitors. 18. Giant of Castelnau, France. Large human bones were discovered, suggesting a person over 11 feet tall, but remain controversial. 19. London Hammer, USA. A hammer embedded in rock that appears millions of years old. 20. Atacama Skeleton, Chile. A tiny skeleton with unusual features initially thought to be alien, but DNA reveals a complex origin. 21. Tuli Papyrus, Egypt. An ancient text allegedly describing flying objects in the sky centuries ago. 22. Dropa Stones, China. Discs with spiral carvings telling the tale of extraterrestrial visitors, though evidence is disputed. 23. Great Zimbabwe Ruins, Zimbabwe. An ancient stone city built without mortar, its origins are still debated among scholars. 24. Festo Cave Paintings, Indonesia. Among the oldest art known, displaying a sophistication surprising for its age. 25. Roman dodecahedrons, Europe. Derinkuyu Underground City, Turkey. A subterranean city housing thousands, built for unknown reasons. 27. Cocknow Stone, Scotland. A massive rock covered in petroglyphs, Some believe map ancient stars. 28. Mystery Hill, USA. Known as America's Stonehenge, its true age and builders remain uncertain. 29. Sangxingdui relics, China. Bronze masks with alien-like features from a lost civilization. 30. Beigong pipes, China. Metallic pipes embedded in rock over 150,000 years old, challenging timelines. 31. Codex Gigas, Czech Republic. The Devil's Bible, a medieval manuscript famous for its devil illustration and mysterious origins. 32. L'Anse aux Meadows, Canada. The only confirmed Norse settlement in North America, but details remain incomplete. 33. Maine Penny, USA. A Viking coin found far from known Norse settlements. 34. Lake Winnipesaukee Mystery Stone, USA. An egg-shaped stone carved with unknown symbols. 35. Ruins of Nan Madol, Micronesia. A city built on coral reefs with massive basalt stones. 36. White Shaman, Mural, USA. An ancient Texas painting with undeciphered symbolism. 37. Clavacairn, Scotland. Burial sites aligned with the solstice. 38. Great Serpent Mound, USA. An earthwork serpent stretching nearly 1,500 feet. 39. Plain of Jars, Laos. Scattered giant stone jars of unknown purpose. 40. Underwater ruins of Cuba, Cuba. Submerged stone structures that might be ancient city remains. 41. Black Knight satellite Earth orbit. A mysterious object rumored to be ancient and not man-made. 42. Mary Celeste ghost ship Atlantic Ocean. Found abandoned in 1872 with no crew or explanation. 43. Rosetta Stone, Egypt. Unlocking Egyptian hieroglyphics, yet its sudden discovery is still debated. 44. Koso Artifact, USA. A spark plug encased in a rock over 500,000 years old. 45. Great Pyramid Hidden Chambers, Egypt. Unexplored voids inside the pyramid detected by scans. 46. Mask of La Roche-Cotard, France. Possibly the oldest carved human face. 47. Underwater, city of Xicheng, China. An entire city preserved under a lake. 48. Temple of the Feathered Serpent, Mexico. A tunnel beneath the temple containing pools of liquid mercury. 49. Elongated skulls of Paracas, Peru. Skulls shaped unnaturally, possibly more than cultural deformation. 50. Ancient Swiss watch in a tomb, China. A watch-like object found in a sealed tomb dating centuries old. 51. The Ulfbert swords, Europe. Medieval swords with metal purity far beyond their time. 52. The Phaistos disc, Crete. A disc inscribed with unknown symbols no one can read. 53. The Saqqara bird, Egypt. A small wooden bird that may represent ancient flight knowledge. 54. The Lost Library of Alexandria, Egypt. Its contents vanished, but some artifacts may still be hidden. 55. The Baalbek megaliths, Lebanon. Massive stone blocks weighing hundreds of tons, quarried with unknown methods. 56. The Nazca aqueducts, Peru. Advanced underground water systems in an arid desert. 57. The Iron Pillar of Delhi, India. A pillar that has resisted corrosion for over 1,600 years. 58. The Olmec Colossal Heads, Mexico. Massive stone heads with features unlike surrounding cultures. 59. The Vinland Map, Europe, North America. A map suggesting Vikings reached America before Columbus. 60. The Crystal Skulls. Various. Skulls carved from quartz, rumored to have mystical powers. 61. The Lizard Man of Scape, or Swamp, England. Legends and strange remains fuel mystery in this marsh. 62. The Baobab Tree Rings, Africa. Trees with rings suggesting they are over 6,000 years old. 63. The Mayan Codices, Central America. Few survived, leaving large gaps in knowledge of Mayan writing. 64. The Tikal Complex, Guatemala. Ancient ruins with unexplained astronomical alignments. 65. The Chichen Itza cenote, Mexico. a deep sinkhole filled with artifacts and human remains. 66. The skull of Luzia woman, Brazil, one of the oldest human fossils in the Americas, with mysterious ancestry. 67. The Baekje murals, South Korea, brightly painted tombs with symbols still not fully understood. 68. The Vinca symbols, Serbia, ancient script-like symbols, predating known writing systems. 69. The Dead Sea Scrolls, Israel, sacred texts revealing secrets of ancient religions. 70. The Nazca water system, Peru, underground channels that continue to baffle engineers. 71. The Cliff Palace, USA, ancestral Puebloan cliff dwellings with complex architecture. 72. The Lascaux cave paintings, France, some of the oldest cave paintings with hidden chambers. 73. The Aleppo Codex, Syria, a medieval manuscript with mysterious missing pages. 74. The Minoan civilization, Crete, suddenly vanished, leaving behind palaces and frescoes. 75. The Vinland settlement, Canada, limited remains of Norse presence in North America. 76. The Thracian tombs, Bulgaria, richly decorated tombs with strange symbols and unknown meanings. 77. The Dead City of Petra, Jordan, rock-cut architecture with hidden tunnels. 78. The Hypogeum of Malta, Malta, an underground burial site with perfect acoustics. 79. The Monolith of Baalbek, Lebanon, one of the largest stones ever moved by ancient humans. 80. The Sacsayhuaman walls, Peru, stones fitted with such precision they seem impossible to replicate. These 80 finds span continents and millennia. They challenge our understanding of human history and invite us to question what we think we know. Every stone, inscription, and relic tells a story. Some stories remain incomplete, missing crucial pieces. But perhaps the greatest mystery is why these wonders remain unsolved. Is it because we have not looked closely enough? Or are some secrets meant to remain buried, locked away in the shadows of time? One thing is certain: as long as there are explorers, archaeologists, and curious minds, these mysteries will never fade. They will continue to beckon us into the unknown, daring us to uncover the truths hidden beneath the surface of history. So next time you look at an artifact or stand before ancient ruins, remember, behind every discovery is a question that echoes through time, waiting for an answer that may never come.